So in this video today, we're going to be replacing the positive battery terminal and the fusible link on my Titan. And I am using genuine OEM Nissan parts. I purchased them from Z1 Off-Road. They weren't expensive. I've got a new cover to put on here. This one's been broken off for quite some time. The reason I'm doing this, there's some corrosion on the terminal, on the fusible link. You can see it, and partly caused by off-gassing from the battery. Not this battery, but the battery we had previously. Got a terminal brush, good to have. We're going to use a couple sockets, mostly 10mm. Part number for the battery connector. Part number for the cover. Part number for the fusible link. And you can find cheaper versions of these on Amazon, but I went with OEM for a little better quality. We're going to start by removing the negative battery terminal. And you can remove your cover if you have any cover left. So I'm going to first loosen these two 12mm nuts here, and I do have new ones to replace those two. I am going to reuse that one there. And we're going to want to disconnect our two wires from the connector down there. I might see if it will pull up. Okay, next I'm going to disconnect the fusible link here. This is for my air compressor. And then let's remove positive connector. You can see some corrosion on that. That's going to be tossed. And clean this up. Another thing you can do with your brush is clean these up. This one's not going to be reused, so I'll go for this one. This one's going to be reused. And remember where these go on the fusible link. It's hard to mix them up, but still possible. That's for sure. Other post too. While we're here, what's the best way? Okay, you've got to push down on here, and it's just opposite on the other side. It's on the outside as well. There's a healthy dose of grease in those connectors. This isn't too bad, but there's some corrosion, as you can see on top here. And there's full of grease. Here's our new one. Let's add some dielectric grease into this. It's going to keep moisture out and keep those pins from corroding. That clicks back in nicely. Okay, our new terminal. It's on there like that. Just grab a nut. This will go on top. Got two more nuts. add my air compressor connector. Okay, I'm gonna reconnect my positive post and then tighten everything down. Okay, that was a 10. We need a 12. And what I use, which works well, is the MPHD that provides a solid coating, and I'm going to give that a spray down all those to protect them. Okay, we can install our new cover. Snaps on, and we're just about done. All done. And don't forget to like and subscribe.